Next in CSS, we are going to work with its column property, which is used to give multiple column layout to a document. And it works with all the container elements like a div, paragraph, article, section, header, and footer. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, I'm using one of the container tag, that is article. And here within article I'm giving heading h1, and here I'm giving column property in CSS. This is going to be a heading, and here I'm giving lorem multiplied by 50 to generate a long text. Save it and go live. So this is how it is looking in our browser. Now I want to divide this document into 4 columns. So here within head section I'm giving style tag, and within style tag we have used article here, so we have to give article. We are defining all these property for article tag. Now I want to divide the document into 4 columns. So column count is the property we have to use, and here I'm giving 4 to divide it into 4 columns. It is divided into 4 columns. Now we want to increase the gap in between these columns. So another property for it is column gap, and here I'm giving it is 50 pixel. Save. It has increased gap in between columns. Next property is column width, which is used to set the width of column width, and here I'm giving it as 300 pixel. Save. So it has increased the width of column. Fourth column is adjusted. Next we want to put line in between 2 columns. So line can be dashed or solid like that. So here column rule, and here we want to give style. So it can be dashed, dotted, double, groove. So here I'm using dashed. Save. That has given dashed style of column. Next we want to give color to this rule. So here I'm setting column rule color, and I'm putting it blue. So it has converted to blue color. Next is its width. Column rule width, and here I'm giving it as 10 pixel. Save. So we can see that its width has been increased. Now we can give all these rule properties in a single line, like we are removing all this thing, and column rule, here I'm giving 10 pixel, dotted or dashed, and blue color. So result will be same. Next we are going to use column span property. So what it is going to do, if we are going to use with heading, then it has different values like all, none, inherit, initial. So if we are using all property with the column span property, then this will span h1 heading across all the 3 columns. So we have to give it for heading h1. So here we have to mention h1, and here we have to give column span, and here if we are giving all, So it is going to clear all this thing from all the lines and all the text from all the rest of the two columns. And if we are removing all from here and if I am giving none, so it is going to put that text here. So this heading will be applied to this column only. So right now we are giving here is all. Okay, first we'll put it none. Here we can give background color to it. Background color, and I'm choosing aqua, and text align property is center. Right now it is none. Column span is none. So it is looking like this. And if we put here all, so H1 heading is going to span across all the columns. So this was our column property in CSS.